What's going on, homies? It's me back again, Liam, also known as M3Wook on Instagram. So I have something special for you guys today. I wanted to start this thing, and I had the idea from an old skateboarding YouTuber I used to watch a lot, Alex Buning. He used to do a lot of things with Revive Skateboards, really awesome guy. But he did this thing called First Person Fridays. And I'm here with my buddy and much more attractive doppelganger, Liam. He's driving his Lexus Is300. It's like a Savannah beige metallic. It's a beautiful car, and he's gonna take me on this awesome road that's local here. Don't want to drop the name because I don't want people dying on this thing because it is insane. But we're gonna do some First Person Friday action from his perspective, or my perspective at least, and we'll take you for a ride in his sick-ass whip. Do you want to talk about some things that have been done to the car?
It's got a K&N intake, Ready Revolution RS catback exhaust with the Megan Racing Y pipe, stop tech, full axle packs all around. It's got RPF 1s with Michelin Pilot Sport 3s. Other than that, pretty stock up in the suspensions, Coney Sport struts on Ibach lowering springs, which I think is just the pro kit. And yeah, so far just swapped the interior out to black. Still got to do the driver's seats, which I'm gonna do with Corbeau RRBs. They look pretty sweet, and you know, it's my daily as well. Unfortunately, this car is automatic, so that's the biggest, you know.
You got the TRD though.
Yeah, I got a TRD shift knob. I guess that's, you know, kind of right. It's kind of cool. But the car only had 49,000 miles on it when I got it, so I couldn't pass that up.
This car is rad as hell. Can't wait to show you guys, take you for a ride. Let's check it out. I want to put some Euro beats over this. Like I might let it pass. We can always do more stuff there, right? We're gonna do like a drunk history type thing where basically tell your best recollection of the history of the Revolutionary War as you barrel down the road. Oh, fuck. No, not actually just like that, right? They're like car history. Holy shit, that car.
MR2.
Yeah, first gen.
I actually know a guy who drives an MR2.
Oh, GTI. What that is? Interesting hair. Whoa.
That thing's sick.
Whoa.
stick around. Come through and dig the sound of the fly brown 6060 cycle. Who throws a dick around? Bound to go through plat. Came to destroy rap. It's an intricate plot of a b-boy strap. Fem stack cats get kidnapped. Then release a statement to the press. Let the rest know who did that. Metal fist terrorists claim responsibility. Broken household name usually set in hostility. What is MF, you silly? I like to take men's to the end for 2 milli. Do-do-do-do-do, that's an audio daily double. Rappers need to fall off just to save me the trouble. Yo, watch your own back, came in and go out alone, black. Stay in the zone, turn H2O to cognac. On Doomsday, ever since the womb till I'm back with my brother went. That's what my tumor say. Right above my government dually. Either unmarked or engraved, hey, who's to say? I wrote this one in BCDCO section. If you don't believe me, go get bagged and checked in. Cell number 17, I'm under the top bunk. I say this not to be mean, was bad luck a pop junk. Pop the trunk, go see cyberpunk, leave him left scrape. God forbid, if ain't no escape, blame a left take. Definition super villain. A killer who loved children, one who was well skilled in destruction as well as building. My city selling teaches the trife to be trifer. I'm trading science fiction with my man alive lifer. A pie piper, holler around, a dollar and a dime. Do his thing, ring around the white collar crime. Get out my face, ask about my case, need toothpaste. Monkey style,
Motorsports is on GTA 5, I can't remember.
So we just finished getting off Lime. Liam took me for a ride and I'm trying really hard not to throw up right now. It was really fun. He was definitely whipping it and sending it. My GoPro may have had issues in recording, so I think I saved it by filming on this handheld instead. But hopefully the footage isn't destroyed for you guys. That would kind of suck. This First Person Fridays thing is really fun, and I think it'd be an awesome idea, and I definitely want to do more. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up today, and don't forget to check me out, M3 Woke, right here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, dislike it if you hate it. I really don't care. I'm having fun, and I'll catch you guys next time. Yeah.